Welcome to this session titled, How Can My Customers Benefit from SQL Azure? My name is Ola Ekdahl and I'm with IT Mentors. What I would like to start with is to look at some common challenges that a lot of customers are facing when they're working with SQL Server databases. For example, they often struggle with provisioning, deploying, and managing servers at scale, struggling with enabling faster and more efficient development of applications with existing knowledge and toolsets, and lastly, infrastructure costs grow as a percentage of total IT spend. So in other words, we spend more and more money buying hardware and managing infrastructure. This is something that SQL Azure can really help your customers with. First of all, we get a very elastic environment. In other words, we get an environment that your customers can scale on demand as necessary. They also get to use existing practices and common tool sets that they and you are already familiar with. And lastly, you only pay for what you use. So if you need more resources, well then you and your customers get to pay for that. If you need less, then you and your customers pay less for the resources. Now, if you want to summarize this, there are three ways that I like to discuss SQL Azure when I discussed it with customers. Firstly, we get the best total cost of ownership, designed for internet scale, high availability built in, and transparent maintenance. Secondly, it's familiar and it is productive. It's less complex with better value, and the developer platform and the broad ecosystem that is in place for SQL Azure and the Windows Azure platform makes this experience very productive. And lastly, it's a unique innovation. It's something that allows us to deliver business intelligence as a service, and we can also get the power of the cloud in your own data center. In other words, running a hybrid solution so that your customer can run the cloud in their own data center and also use functionality and components that lives in the public cloud. A great way of summarizing this and to give an elevator pitch is to say that SQL Azure allows you to run your business, not your infrastructure. What that means is that you can focus on your business applications, what makes sense to your business to increase revenue, and not have to spend money to purchase and manage hardware. I would like to mention a couple of ways that you can get involved with MS Dev. You can become a fan on Facebook, you can follow us on Twitter, you can join the LinkedIn group, and you can also subscribe to the YouTube Real MS Dev channel. With that, I would like to say thank you very much.